Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, I'm Forever Essence, and I'm glad you guys came back. Today we're doing something super fun. I absolutely love this look and I'm so happy to be sharing it with you guys because do you see it? Do you see it? Sis, I did this in all of 10 minutes and you can too. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I did everything and achieved it. This is my first time doing ombre solely with watercolor and I am absolutely in love with how it came out. I love the blends of everything because I don't like the choppy ombre look, and this definitely didn't give me that. It's all vibes and blending. Oh my god, every time I create a new wig I say it's my favorite wig, but it's just because I be like surprising myself. I be surprising myself. I know I'm a wig stylist. I know I've been doing this for a couple of years, but every time I come up with a new look and like it's my look that I thought of myself, I just be so, I be like, girl, who is you? Are you arrogant Tay, or are you just a little old Essence, baby girl? Cranberry Hair did send me this hair and it is their 22-inch frontal wig. The lace was very transparent, very beautiful. I love transparent lace, whether you're light or dark, just because you can tint it to your liking. And the hairline did come pre-plucked, which you'll see. I'll put a little clip, but I did go ahead and pluck it, which you will also see in this video, so please keep watching. But cranberry hair, this hair was amazing. The color took very well. It doesn't shed that much at all. I deal with a lot of 613 hair and this hair is very nice. It's very affordable, which is very good. So I think you guys should try this wig out. The only thing I could say about it is it could have had a little bit higher density, so if you can get that choice, or even adding in a bundle on the wig, and you'll be fine. So if you love how it came out, or if you just want to see how I did it, please keep on watching and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you again for returning back to my channel. I hope you come back again. So first thing first, with color, you want to tone the hair with purple shampoo to get any yellow out of the blonde. And I'm just using this shiny silver shampoo from Sally's. I usually use shimmer lights. If you have that, that actually works better. And you're going to let the purple shampoo tone the color to a nice platinum blonde. That's the perfect base color for when you're trying to color your hair any color. Then I'm going to move on to protecting my lace. You know I have a very detailed video on that on my channel, so make sure you check it out. Got me onto higher ground, I think I'm in today. When you heard me calling for you, already giving up on. So originally I thought I wanted just a pink lemonade look, which it was just pink to a yellow ombre. So you're going to see me do that now. I'm using the cotton candy for the pink at the top, but I'm going to change the pink later, as well as the whole thing. I'm going to add 2 more colors. So keep watching to the end so you can see the full effect of the colors. I used Funky Yellow by Tintation. You really only need a drop because if you put too much of the yellow in, it's like a electric yellow, and I wanted more of pastel colors. Again, that Funky Yellow by Tintation can be really electric yellow, so you don't need much if you want a pastel color. If you want the dark look, you can definitely add more color in for your yellow, but I just wanted pastel. And I rinse everything out with cold water. Again, I am going to go back in and show you how I add the other colors in, so just keep watching. Before I added my colors, I am going to show you how I tweezed it. You just want to make sure you have a good set of tweezers, a rat tail comb, and some eyebrow razors to cut your baby hairs. So I'm going to show you how I do that really quick before we move on to how I added those other colors in. So please just keep watching. But for plucking, I just go behind the hairline. Wherever I see a thick line of demarcation, I just go ahead and go in it and keep plucking. It's really not hard. You just want to make sure you do not bald your lace. Always waiting for you. I'll be waiting, won't give up on you. I am waiting, always waiting for you. So after I pluck everything, I go ahead and get a thin strip out for the baby hairs. You don't want it to be thick at all. And then I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor to actually cut them. I start off with longer baby hairs and just cut them a little short. you know, if you over tweeze, if you overcut, they don't grow back. So you just want to be careful with everything. Take your time and it'll come out right. And y'all already know I use Tresemme mousse to lay my baby hairs. I just like how soft of a look the mousse gives versus gel gives you a really hard look. And I just set it with that. I use the comb. Sometimes I use an edge brush to lay them, but either way, you can use either one. And I just lay them. That helps it set in place, and it's just really nice and natural. Although I did love the pink lemonade look, I do want to go ahead and add some more color in. So I'm going to create my own orange using the Fruit Punch by Adore and the yellow from Tintation that I used earlier. You got to mix your colors to get what you want, and if you don't have it. And of course, always use a test strip to see how it's going to come out. I honestly loved it. So I'm just going to hold the hair I don't want dyed out, and I'm just going to dye it. It's that simple. You want to keep flipping it over to make sure that it does get on each side, and you do want to open it up a bit just so you do get all of the color saturated. And for the ends, I use a Tints Red, and you're going to see me dip the ends in this, and I'm going to dip it later on in a cup. Same thing, just want to make sure it's as deep as you want it. All you have to do is leave the color in longer if you want it to be darker. I also darken my pink at the top using the Salmon by Tintation. So the pink at the top of my hair is cotton candy mixed with salmon. I wanted it to be a little bit deeper, not too much. So I'm going to style it really quick. I just wanted to show you how well these colors blended so beautifully. And then I'm going to install it. So please watch to the end so you can see how the look comes all the way together. This hair was amazing. Thank you again, Cranberry Hair, for sending it to me because the shedding was limited. Everything was beautiful. The curls held. So yeah, that's very, very good. My baby has been around me. Angels be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. So for the fun part, we're going to go ahead and install. You know, I tint my lace with the Fit Me Maybelline in the color Toffee, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut my lace and install it with Got to Be Gel and the Freeze Spray really fast. It does last a few days this way, and it's easier for me to take off. So just keep watching and see how everything pulls together. The lace melted so beautifully. I absolutely love how this came out, and I hope you guys do too. I hope this video was super informative for you. I hope you learned something new, you know, because I really do want to give y'all these tips and tricks that I use. If you learned something new, if you want to redo this look, whatever, please tag Wigsbyess on Instagram so I can see, so I can repost you everything. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and please come back again. Make sure you subscribe, sis, and make sure you like and comment, please. And thank you. Bye.